Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be telling fine motor activities to teach kids at home. So the first activity, I've taken a vegetable that is okra or lady's finger. So you just have to choose color of your paint and ask the child to make any random design. So here I'm making some flowers with red paint. So you see, this is one fun activity for fine motors. Now next activity is, I have made some stars here and I'm using a Q-tip and blue paint. So you just have to ask the child to put Q-tip in paint and they just have to put it inside the shape. So here I've made stars. You can make any random shapes, and this is also one fun activity, so this also will help in their fine motor skills. For the next activity I have taken red paint and a sponge. So you can cut the sponge into very small pieces, and I have put paint in a plastic container and you just have to ask the child to dab it inside the apple. So you see, this is how you have to do it. So this is also one fun activity and children enjoy doing it. Now next is a tear paper activity. So here I have taken one green glaze paper and some Fevicol. So you have just made a tree and you have to ask the child to tear paper like this. So you see, this will help in the fine motors, and you just have to apply some Fevicol and they have to stick it. So you see, this is how you have to do it. You can ask the child to press it after putting the papers. So this is also one fun activity. You will enjoy the outcome, how it looks like in the end. You can make anything on a white paper. Here I have made a tree. So then this is the outcome. So I've used brown sketch pen for the branch. So this is how it's looking. See, you can add more elements to it. Now the next activity is, I've taken cloth clips and some pom-poms. So you have to ask the child to take the pom-poms like this and put it inside the box. So I'm using an old paint box. If you have any other box, you can just ask the child to use it. So you can make your own DIYs at home. Now next is, I have taken a piggy bank and some ice cream sticks which I've painted. So in this, you have to ask the child to put the sticks inside the piggy bank one by one. You can also use coins for this activity. Here I have taken colorful sticks. So this will also help in introducing colors to children. So the next activity is, I've taken some straws and toxic free clay. For this activity I'll be using transparent foil. You can spread it out in the work area so that the clay doesn't stick on the table, and you have to spread out the clay like this. Then you have to ask the child to insert the straws inside the clay. So you see, this is also one fun activity and kids will love it. Similarly, I'll put all the straws. Now for the next activity, I've used slate and some chalks. So you have to ask the child to scribble. So this is how you have to hold the chalk. Now children might not hold the chalk properly, so you can always help them how to hold the chalk. So this is how you use it. Now next activity is, I have taken some rice and I have put in some beads, colorful beads inside the bowl, and you have to ask the child to take out those beads. This is also one fine motor activity. Now next is, I have used pin-up puzzles. So this is ABC puzzle. I'll mention in the description box the links from where you can buy these wooden board puzzles. So this is the number puzzle, and I have the shape sorter also, which I got it from Amazon. I hope you liked all the fine motor activities which you can try it at home with your kids. So if you liked my video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.